Many blessings, everyone. Namaste. My name is Verda Luce. I'm a shamanic astrologer and life coach, and really excited to talk to you guys today. Happy solstice season. There's a lot going on. I wanted to share some of the cosmic weather for this solstice, summer solstice, and also talk to you today about this super full moon in Capricorn, Saturday, the 23rd, and some of the other major events that are unfolding right now, and including a upcoming teleclass that is going to be very Cancerian themed, since we're moving into a huge Cancer season upon us here. So let's start to break that down. We want to start with this super full moon. So this is really unique. This word has started to go around lately: super moon, super full moon, super new moon. But what people are usually describing this to be is actually a moon that's in what's called perigee. Perigee is when the moon is at its closest point to the Earth for a given month. So the moon will be closest to the Earth for this full moon on the 23rd than it will be until 2014, August of 2014. So this is one to check out and look at moonrise times in your area, but this will be really potent to behold. The moon rises almost an hour later every night, so it'll be full more or less for about 3 nights in a row. So this weekend was really the peak. Saturday, Sunday nights, look at the moonrise. It's going to be epic, super huge. Sometimes people think this is maybe pretending some kind of catastrophes, because the moon does have this gravitational effect on us. But really, the tides only raise about a couple inches, and there's nothing to be afraid of with it. But it will look stunning. Great time to photograph as well. So where is the moon for this full moon? It's at the 2nd degree of Capricorn. So it's actually a really powerful formation that's coming in this weekend here, and it picks up on the next place I wanted to go in our talk tonight, which is into the Grand Trine. Before we do that, what is a full moon in Capricorn? Well, are we fulfilled in the area of our life associated with our career, our vocation, our calling? Do we feel like we're as professional as we can be? Are we being held accountable in the ways we'd like to be held accountable? Or do we have responsibilities that we'd rather not have in our life? It's healthy pressures. Capricorn wants to be successful, rise to the top, build a pyramid of itself, and really build structures that will sustain. So are the structures you're building going to sustain? That's the full moon in Capricorn question. Now, there's also this kite formation that is coming in with this full moon, which is actually triggering. It's part of this grand trine, this grand water trine, which is one of the biggest emergent energies over the next 3 months. And when we look at the solstice chart, it always tells us about at least the next 3 months. It's like a template for what we're going to be experiencing collectively in the next few months. Same thing will happen at the equinoxes as well. So one of the things that's happening is this waxing energy of a grand water trine. That's going to involve Jupiter in Cancer, the Saturn in Scorpio, and Neptune by the moons in next week. So to this grand mystical, and so our intent is to create a visualization and the law of attraction. When you put law of attraction, but we're really looking at what our community and it may surprise emotions. So this is every 3 months, the planet of communication and travel and idea, and so we have to be careful. This is a major traveling time of the year. It's the summertime, so we want to give ourselves a lot of extra time, not take on negotiate until Mercury goes direct, to make some of those bigger decisions. You still have a few days here if you need to get the car worked on. Got a flat tire before a big road trip coming up, so we're working on. This is typical. We are in Mercury's shadow, which is actually about 3 especially the what imprints from work to do meditation. Also gave I wanted to also and actually looking at different the moon, the solar plexus, or the emotional center in human design. It's going to be we'll mention some things about raising that class. The whole series is going to be blessings on this